Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. Right, this night I would like to promote this noodle we call what? Junction Tungkop noodle. We call it this noodle because it's very totally traditional noodle or culinary, you know what? It's very totally awesome. I myself, this is the fourth time I had this noodle here. My friend invited me to eat here. This is very totally awesome. Example like this mixed by cucumber, you know what? Cucumber and then chips. It's very totally awesome. This traditional chips we call that chips because fixed by noodle here. And then this noodle mixed by egg, you know that? It's all of egg. Very tall, delicious, very tall on the platinum. They know what? Very tall, awesome. So, if you want to, taste this, this noodle, we have it in Aceh. You know what? It's very tall, awesome. Can you imagine that? You never find in life this culinary very tall, awesome. Example like Aceh culinary, number one worldwide. Nowadays again, number one. Very tall, delicious, cleaner, delicious, foods, everything about that. But this noodle very tall, delicious. Not only here, but also mixed by like fish, noodle fish, or chips, shrimp, and then crab noodle. This very tall, awesome and very tall, delicious. I myself, as tourist guide, I would like to promote this my culinary, how to say, not only tombstone and then tourism in my country like Indonesia or Aceh or speaking from Aceh can spoken many languages, not only English but also many languages, but my YouTube channel like Aceh Esperanto just from Aceh 510E. Very tall, delicious. I couldn't believe in the fourth time I eat this noodle. So one more time, don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I focus for it's very totally got a lot of these tourists. Like that's from United States, not India, Asia, Africa, Europe, so on. And invite a lot of tourists together. They know what? It's very totally awesome. Alright, that's my time. One more time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel for the focus for almost Aceh 510E. Alright, that's my time. Thank you for watching my videos.